Hi, I'm Katerina from Premise LED, and today we're going to talk about linear high bays. Our LHB-Series is a great solution if you're replacing HID or fluorescent fixtures. With efficacy of 130 lumens per watt, our LHB-Series are DLC Premium certified that will help you maximize your rebates. Available in 90 watt, 135 watt, and 178 watt. We've got the right lumen package for almost any application. The LHB series comes complete with a full chain hanging kit, and will also have a pendant mounting kit as an option. The fixture is Templocation rated and comes with pre-installed acrylic diffuser that's included with every model. Now let's take a look inside the fixture. It comes pre-wired with a disconnect for a line voltage connection, as well as connectors for your 0 to 10 volt dimming. To see how these fixtures will perform, try our quick layout tool at premiseled.com. For more information about this product, give us a call or contact your local rep. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.